All right, so this is a media library. You can see it's broken down into your kind of latest images and your folders. Folders is where you can obviously store all of your imagery into different areas if you want to. You can see there are different media types that you can work through as well. All available for you to access within the course. So I'm going to show you that in a second. You can also search across your assets, and if you're working in teams, then you can access other people's files. If you want to create a new folder, then it's just as simple as adding that new folder, and then you can drag your images into there. So super simple. You can upload more images in. When you're actually in the courses though, what you'll see is, if we just jump into this Sales Essentials course, for example, here, and drop into this first image, you have the ability to again work through your media and then access folders, but you also see there's Unsplash. So if we do a search for sales, for example, we'll see some sales images come up. Yeah, and Pexels, we'll do the same for them. Super simple, just choose the image that you want. So let's go for this one, and then it's ready to go. You'll find as well where there are images in landscape, there's also the ability to crop your image so that you get the perfect shape, and you'll see that appearing here.